Oh, now Mama's smiling. After Mama's whole seat cushion was in the crack of her ass. Going through those side roads. Mama, we were at a safe haven. They said the highway was closed. Mama pulled off to a rest area. We were perfectly safe. I told her to hop in, take a couple hour nap, and I fell back to sleep and she took off. And then we get off. If anybody knows, if the interstate's really bad and it's iced up and it's too dangerous to drive, then the side roads are going to be worse than that. So Mama took off. Go. It's just keep going now. So Mama found out.
Yep. That's mine. And I found out that this is not a joke. This is not funny.
Mama didn't know why I was upset that she left the rest area.
Until we turned.
But once she had that whole seat cushion in the crack of her little ass on those side roads with the steep grades, going up and down, empty, Mama found out real fast why I didn't want her to leave, why I was upset that she left our safe haven. Right. And it's on Saturday. We have no rush. There's no hurry to get home. Especially when our livelihood, our safety is on the line.
These are houses, guys. Do you guys want to order just a mobile home? We have it here somewhere in Route 66.
Mama got a lot of experience today, though. She had a lot of eat the seat cushion.
I got a hairy liver. Do you have a hairy liver?
Mama knows the term of eating the seat cushion now. She knows exactly what that means.
Is he turning? Is the guy turning on you?
Mama had glossy eyes and everything. Now you keep going. We'll see I-80 up here. They got a lot of trailers back here.
Mobile homes. I think they built
a lot of mobiles. Mobile homes.
Oh, look at that. These are big. That one is double.
They call those tornado magnets. Yeah, they have some kind of magnetic thing in them that draws tornadoes to them.
The guy behind me always something. Whack on it.
Yeah, there's another bad accident that had the same place that it always is, just around 64. Mile marker 64 going west. Mile marker 64 and around mile marker 12. Just before you go into Ohio, 80 west, mile markers 12 and mile marker 64. Those places ice up all the time. There's always huge pile-ups.
The guy behind me, he can't.
And
he's so close to me.
There's a guy riding Mama's ass. You can go a little bit faster, Mama. This road is, even though we are empty though, he doesn't know that. See, it's raining. It's raining, and it was 20 degrees. Now it's actually 31, but when we got off of the freeway 8 miles down the road, it was 20 degrees. And it's 31 here, so that's a big change.
It's very stressful,
Says
guys.
we're 1.5 miles to I-80. So it looks like from our map that it was like a 4-mile stretch of accidents. It's just multiple accidents that shows up on our map.
Google Maps.
That's a truck repair place.
Oh, look at where are these guys?
That's one of the trailers. That's one of the tow
Oh.
trucks bringing one of the trailers up
Oh, shucks.
that wrecked.
Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, that's the where they put the body. Scary.
Yeah, the bodies go to a different place.
Maybe the driver.
I think the last pile up that we went around, I think they said 9 people.
Really?
At least the first day they said 9 people passed away in that pile up. I don't know if some did later, but there was like 30 some people taken to the hospital.
Oh my.
Just slow down, Mama. Now you're getting. There's another trailer. We're 0.3 miles, so slow down.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
another
look at that.
trailer.
See that? You say it here? This is
Yeah,
it?
yeah, this is it. 80 West. You definitely don't want to go east unless you want to be a journalist today
No.
and
I
park
don't
your truck on
remember.
the side of the road and hop across the median and go video.
Like they're
Even
still
though they
chasing.
got, we've seen that 2 of the trucks were pulled off of there. That repair guy with that big repair shop and all those tow trucks is making some money today. This would be a good place. I bet you he knows that. He set up shop right there. He has a bunch of tow trucks in this spot that has all the accidents. So all he has to do is come down the road. They call. I know right where they're at.
Right.
I'll go get them.
That's how his business is built.
Yeah.
Watch this guy. It's pretty. Look at him. He actually went in my lane before it's supposed to. We should tape him on it. I want to see
I
his face.
haven't.
I'm gonna say like this guy. Keep it between the line.
We could have stopped at exit 78 too and got some more. Mama thought we had a breakfast, but we could have had lunch too.
I still have some
Here's
stuff.
Mama's friend. He was up her ass. You know how the dog sticks his nose up another dog's ass
Yes.
and walks around the house? That guy had his nose up Mama's ass for the
Hopefully.
last 10 miles.
Hopefully you don't.
And
don't hold up
I guess
everybody.
he's done sniffing it now. So he's done. He's ready to go stick his nose up someone else's ass.
That's faster than me.
Oh, Mama, do you feel any cleaner back there?
Feel a lot
Or
better.
do you just feel violated?
No,
No?
I felt good that he's gone.
Yeah. So he'll start the next accident up at mile marker 12. We'll be back. I'm sure, I guarantee you there's something around that mile marker from 14.
Hold on, keep your camera on it, because this area here,
What are you doing?
I'm moving to
Oh.
another lane. See this lane here, honey?
Oh, it's real bump. It's uneven, right?
No, there's where the accident was at last week. The two semi, they're just
Oh,
hanging.
yeah, there was 2 semis hanging off of this
One
bridge.
star and then
It
5.
was over the bridge. The trailer was still on the bridge and the truck was hanging off.
So in other words, they hit
2
their-
of them, right?
Yeah, 2 of them. In other words, they hit their brake pretty good before, you know.
Yeah, they hit their brakes, slid, hit that barrier, their trucks went over, but the trailers held them up.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go. We'll be back probably around exit 14 to 12 to 6. I'm sure there'll be another accident. That one's harder to go around because we did that once, and we ended up in a ski resort
Oh, scary.
where there was no trucks. They let us get all deep into it, and we didn't have a map for, and they weren't even U.S. highways.
I forgot what ski resort was that. We should just.
It was
spend the night there.
Brandywine.
Okay, if anything, let's spend the night there. Honey, look, it's ice coming down. Hail.
Yeah, we got off and we tried to go around like we just did to this one, and we kept going deeper and deeper into these country roads, and then we get to a T in the road, and we go down this skinny road about 6 miles, and there's no signs at all, and we get to the end of it, and then there's no trucks either way. There's a T in the road. Both ways you can choose say no trucks. So you can either back up 6 miles all the way back, or roll the dice and try to get through. And that's when we seen Brandywine Ski Resort in an 18-wheeler.
Huh.
It was beautiful.
More car and Joy. They're waiting.
Yeah, they're waiting for
That is
us. Do they
exciting.
know we're trying to get home?
Yeah, I told Grandma 4. We'll be home 4. I think it's 5 now.
All right.
What is it saying? Right lane,
Reduce speed to 45.
Okay, I'm 40.
Feel like we're in Wyoming. They have the speed limit adjust all the time based on, because drivers don't know how to adjust to weather conditions,
Right.
so they have to get digital signs and tell them how to try to stay alive.
Right. Right now.
But a lot of people learn from their mistakes, and that's something I always tell Mama. Unfortunately,
I didn't listen.
we can't. We're really not in the business where you want to learn from your mistakes, because there's tons of mistakes that'll either, if they don't end your life, they'll put you out of business. You're gonna be terminated from where you're at, and nobody else is gonna hire you.
Yeah, you want to keep your drivers clean.
So you got to be careful out here.
This is also, this road, I'm surprised there's no accident here. Last week or before Christmas, there's a truck that just barely missed the bridge also. He was right there. Yeah. That's the one this is not a joke here. I hate this route. Oh my god, I hate it, but I love it now.
All right, Mama. I'm going to go. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
P9 Trucker Girl, USA, over and out.
I love my rush now.